Hello guys, okay, here I would like to do some review of my wash test. Okay, so this one has been washed about 7 times. Okay, it's still wet. Okay, and we have different kind of brands and product and the way the method to do it. Okay, and I would like to review it after it dry. Okay, tomorrow. Right, so you can see there is a this is material from Korea. Okay, and this is DST. Okay, has been washed about 5 times because I forgot to wash, I think, last 2 times, so this 7 times, so it should be DST is about 5 times. Okay, so tomorrow I will write the review, guys, see what materials is the good choice and so on. Okay, right, guys. Okay, I'll let you know tomorrow.